Tonight there's a new trial date set for Pender County's clerk of court, Elizabeth Craver, who faces allegations of embezzlement. Former DA Ben David and Pender County Sheriff Alan Cutler requested the state look into allegations of embezzlement by the clerk's office. Craver has pleaded not guilty to 3 counts. The trial is set for February 23rd at the Pender County Courthouse.